and you can go ahead and filter. Of course, these are hidden now by the filter, so if you want to see the numbers, you can go ahead and center them. And now we can just hit shortest to largest. Okay. Look around, there's our Pinot Noirs. There's a set there. And there's our sixes right there. Okay, so there's our French wines, falses, etc. Okay, so you just keep going. You look for patterns. Don't force anything that's not there. Okay, and a general rule of thumb is keep going down until the number that you have is about 10% of your top number. Okay, to see if there's a pattern. Okay, so what I mean by that is eventually you get down to 3s and 2s. Don't worry about those, but when you get down to here, how far down do I go? Do I really want to go down to 1s? You know, not really. Okay, I don't really want to go down to the 1s. So just kind of spot check down to the 10%, which would lead you down to here. But the 2s and 3s aren't very big. Like, this is your smoking gun here, right? A couple of these. Again, don't force it by going way down here looking for another champagne. Okay? Don't do that. Yeah. So here's a really nice one. Really solid. So out of all of these in this run, I would say number 4 is a very solid one because it's got a lot of hits for minimum quantities. Okay? So that's how you read the tea leaves on these. What I would expect out of you on an exam is that you could explain what you're seeing. Is it junk? Okay? If you say it's junk, I want to know why you say that. And if I completely disagree with you because I have the instructor's key and I know the right answer, you could get a lot of points wrong. Okay? Now, if you say yes, it's junk, and I agree with you, the answer key agrees with you, but you don't explain it well enough, like you miss a key point or you miss one of the variables that makes sense. Like you only list this when in fact maybe there's something else in the data set that all of these are north of 40% discount. You know, you got to be able to express that. Okay, so just be careful with that.